Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss 10th question from miscellaneous exercise on vector algebra. Are you ready? Let us start. 10th question. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap and I cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Find a unit vector parallel to its diagonal. Also find its area. Okay. Then parallelogram ABCD. Two I cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Then I cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Find a unit vector parallel to its diagonal. We have to find the diagonal. How we can find the diagonal of this parallelogram? We can find the diagonal of this parallelogram by parallelogram law of vector addition. That BD is equal to vector A plus vector B. Suppose this is the A vector and this is the B vector. So we can write here diagonal BD is equal to A vector plus B vector. That is equal to A vector means that is 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap plus I minus 2j minus 3k cap. That is equal to 2i cap plus I cap means that is 3i cap minus 4j minus 2j means that is minus 6j cap. 5k minus 3k means plus 2k cap. Okay, that is the diagonal of the given vector. Diagonal. We can find a unit vector parallel to its diagonal. A unit vector parallel to its diagonal. So, how we can find a vector parallel to its diagonal? Correct. That is equal to, then suppose we can represent the parallel vector as vector C. That is equal to lambda times of vector A plus vector B. That is equal to lambda times of 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap. This is the vector parallel to the diagonal, parallel to its diagonal. Okay, then this is equation number 1. Then we should find the value of lambda. How we can find the value of lambda? Because this parallel vector Z is a unit vector. So we can find the modulus of vector Z, that is equal to 1. So that is equal to root of lambda square into 3, that is 9 plus 36 plus 4. Okay, then we should find the magnitude of vector C, that is equal to unit vector, so that is equal to 1, that is equal to root of lambda square into 9 plus 36 plus 4. Then that is equal to 1 is equal to lambda. We can take lambda square outside of the square root. Then we will get lambda into 36 plus 4 means that is 40 plus 9 means 49. Then root of 49 means that is 7. So 1 is equal to 7 lambda. So lambda is equal to 1 by 7. So we can substitute this value in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1. Then we will get parallel vector C is equal to lambda times lambda means that is 1 by 7 into 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap. That is equal to 3 by 7 I cap minus 6 by 7 j cap plus 2 by 7 k cap. Understood? First we should find the diagonal. Diagonal means that is vector A plus vector B. Okay, then a parallel vector, then a vector parallel to its diagonal, that is vector C is lambda times of vector A plus vector B. That is lambda times of 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap. Then that vector is a unit vector. So magnitude of vector C is equal to 1. From there we should find lambda. Then lambda is equal to 1 by 7. Then 1 by 7 into 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap. Then we will get 3 by 7 I cap minus 6 by 7 j cap plus 2 by 7 k cap. Okay, then one more question is there, also find its area. How we can find the area of a parallelogram? Area is equal to magnitude of A cross B. First we should find A cross B. A cross B is equal to, how we can find A cross B? Correct, IJK. Then we should write the coefficient of vector A, that is 2, minus 4, 5. Then vector B, that is 1, minus 2, minus 3. That is equal to, that you already know, I into, you should remove this column and this row. Then minus 4 into minus 3 means that is 12. Plus 2 into 5 means that is 10. Minus j cap into, you should remove this column and row. Then 2 into minus 3 means that is minus 6. Minus 1 into 5 means that is minus 5. Plus k cap into, we should remove this row and this column. 2 into minus 2 means that is minus 4. Then plus 4. That is equal to 12 plus 10 means that is 22 I cap. Minus 6 minus 5 means minus 11. Then plus 11 j cap. Then minus 4 plus 4 means that is 0. Then 0 k cap. Magnitude of A, vector A cross vector B, that is equal to root of 22 square plus 11 square. Okay, that is equal to 22 square means 11 into 2 the whole square plus 11 square. So that is equal to 11 square. 11 square into 2 square plus 11 square. Okay, we can take 11 square outside. Then 11 into root of 2 square means that is 4. 4 plus 1 means that is 5. 11 root 5. Of parallelogram is equal to magnitude of A cross B. A cross B you know already. Then you will get 22 I cap plus 11 j plus 0 k cap. Then you should find magnitude of A cross B, that is root of 22 square plus 11 square. 22 square means 11 into 2 the whole square plus 11 square. 11 square into 2 square plus 11 square. Then you can take 11 square outside of the square root. Then we will get 11 into 2 square means 4 plus 1 square means 5. 11 root 5 square units. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining problems we will see in the next class. Until then, bye bye.